Hi dancers, Miss Gina here. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to review your April patterns for the junior ballet level. So after you've done stretches and ballet pliés at the barre, we learned a new pattern of Developpe en croix. So we slowly unfold the leg to the front, tendu close, to the side, tendu close, arabesque, tendu close, à la seconde, and we fouetté to a front attitude. Let's try that with the music. Preparation. Well done on that one. Remember, your en croix means front, side, back, side in the pattern of a cross. Moving now to your petit allegro. So this is fast movements in the center. So we love to do our jumps. We'll have glide over, jete, glide over, jete over, 4 jetés. 1, 2, 3, 4. Glide over, jete, glide over, jete, jete, 1, 2, 3. Assemble, landing in a nice 5th position demi-plie. So let's review that pattern with the music. Preparation. Very good. Okay, so make sure after you practice that you reverse the pattern on the other side so that you have equal practice on the right and the left. Your turn pattern for April is your pique turns. So we can practice these across the floor in your own space. Pique turn 1, 2, 3, chaine twice. So remember to keep the arms in a nice turning position in the center and first. So let's try that one with the music. Preparation. Pique turn. 2 chaines. And a finish. And repeat on the other side. Left foot. And the finish. And from Pique to the left. So that's front attitude. Hold, stretch. And our finish. Okay, just a quick review of things to practice for the junior ballet. Thanks for logging in. Be sure you click like and subscribe down below. Wishing everyone a blessed and happy Easter. Be well.